alcohol, yeah. I got to thinking about that whole syntax. Yes. How I'm a bad father because I smoke. Yeah. How parents are really bad because they drink and smoke. You know, they do tax alcohol. Now, let's say you're a county commissioner and your whole justification for granting custody of children is that one parent doesn't smoke or drink, coach, and the other does. Now, there's what's known as Amendment Number 18, Liquor Prohibition Amendment. This was proposed by Congress on December 18, 1917. Ratification completed on January 16, 1919. Repealed by Amendment Number 21. After 1 year from the ratification of this article, the manufacture, sale, or transportation of intoxicating liquors within the importation thereof into or the exportation thereof into the United States, all territories subject to the jurisdiction thereof for beverages purposes is hereby prohibited. Now, let's say you're the Mormon president, and somebody said, well, he smokes. In fact, he drinks. He said, well, obviously Heidi, the good Christian homeschooling welfare mother, would never drink. She doesn't smoke. So we're going to continue to issue a protection order on the belief, on the basis that Paul, as the father, though his rights were violated in 2011, from the memories that you've been reading, has been smoking and drinking. Now, you can't be a good father if you drink alcohol. Now, I could sue you for enforcing Amendment Number 18. Your decision making about my parenting is because of your own denomination's prohibition against alcohol. Now, in Mormonism, as far as I understand, alcohol is anathema. Now, let's say I find out that it's actually documented, recorded testimony from the county commissioner or any other judge or justice that the reasoning a parent shouldn't have any custody right is because they drink or they smoke. Now, you have to understand that when you enforce an amendment of the Constitution that has been repealed because of your own personal belief system, I want to sue you because of your enforcement of a repealed amendment because of your personal beliefs that liquor makes a bad parent. Now, let's say I find out, okay, Amendment Number 21. In 1933, Congress on February 20th, 1933, the 18th Article Amendment of the Constitution is hereby repealed. This article shall be inoperative unless it shall have been ratified as an amendment of the Constitution Convention of several states. As provided in the Constitution within 7 years from the date of the submission hereof to the states of the Congress. Yeah. Now, I find out that the reason you issue a protection order was not because of domestic violence or child abuse, because I didn't commit any domestic violence or child abuse. You decided that since I smoke, then I must drink too because I go to AA. And somebody made up some stories about how I'm smoking tons of marijuana and I'm drinking and I'm out there partying and just hooping it up. Well, as a father, I'm going to sue you for enforcing Amendment 15 and violating Amendment 21. How are you, Chess?